The filter is located on the left side of the passenger floorboard. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screw clip that holds the console panel in place. Pull out on the console panel to unclip it from the console and remove it.
Subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.
There is a wire connector that you must unclip before you can access the filter housing. There are 3 Torx screws at the bottom of the filter cover that can be removed with a T20 Torx driver. There are 2 Torx screws at the top of the filter cover that are difficult to get to. I removed them with a T20 Torx wrench. Pull the filter cover away from the housing and down to remove it. Pull out on the old filter to remove it. You may need to pull the bottom of the filter out first.
For more information, check the description below the video.
Squeeze the center of your new filter and install the top of the filter first. Tuck the bottom of the filter into the housing. The filter needs to fold to fit through the housing door, but will fill the housing once installed. Reinstall the housing cover, making sure it is properly seated against the housing. Reinstall the 2 T20 Torx screws at the top of the housing cover. Reinstall the 3 T20 Torx screws at the bottom of the housing cover. Reclip the connector that crosses over the front of the cover. Clip the console panel back onto the console and make sure all the tabs are secure. Reinstall the base of the screw clip and reinstall the screw by pushing it into place.
For the best price, visit undercarexperts.com and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.